I was doing some sewing in the loft when I took a look at Gisei's condo. And that's what I saw. Yep, that's what I saw. So I've had this condo for about 15 years. And I thought it could use some work. So I took an old carpet runner and I vacuumed and shampooed it, and I gave that condo a facelift. And that's what I did. I like it. Kind of looks like a skinny girl wearing a pair of Lularoos, but I like it. And I gave it an enhanced feature. Right there. A little mouse toy on an elastic band. Now that ought to be a lot of fun for somebody. Maybe me, but somebody in my house is going to enjoy that. But the bigger question is, would the princess approve? Oh, dearie dear, I guess we have to find out. And I guess we have success with that, because it didn't take her any time to hop right up there. And of course we have to strike a pose, looking all elegant on our new bohemian condo. And there we are. The toy is deployed. And more toy goodness. I'm not the only one that'll play with it. And here we are, so happy. What a lovely way to spend a Sunday morning.